Hey, what is going on everyone? This is Chipmist here, and today we are going to be unboxing the new iPhone 13 Pro Sierra Blue. So here I have the iPhone 13 Pro Sierra Blue color that was recently announced by Apple. As you can see, the packaging is very distinctive of last year's iPhone 12 Pro packaging. The Pro models come in a black packaging versus the regular models come in a white packaging. The packaging itself is slightly different this year because it does not have the saran wrap on top, which used to be the general case with all of the Apple packaging in the previous years. And as you can notice, the packaging does not mention iPhone 13. So let's get right into it. So in the box itself, we have the iPhone, which I'm just going to take it out and put it aside for a second. Also in the box, we have the USB-C to Lightning cable and the documentation designed by Apple in California. Inside, we get a SIM ejector tool as well as some documentation along with a single Apple sticker. And as for last year, the Pro phones do not have a colored sticker. Also in the box, as similar to last year, there is no power brick. Coming back to the phone, the design of the phone itself is very similar to last year. The overall design has not changed, and the Pro models do come with a stainless steel finish on the side versus the regular models come with a standard colored finish. I personally prefer the colored finish, but the Pro finish also looks pretty good. The only difference is that it is very fingerprint heavy, and even though I've only handled the phone for a couple seconds, there are going to be fingerprints all around the phone. And there we have it, the iPhone 13 Pro. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe to the channel down below as well as thumbs up this video. Until next time, see you guys later.